So guys, you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is turned on. Make sure that you have an internet connection on your phone. Also, you want to make sure that you have flight mode or airplane mode turned off. For the next method, you want to make sure that the account that you want to receive a message from has not been blocked. So in the top right, click on the three dots and then click on settings. Now you want to click on privacy. Now you want to scroll down and then click on contacts, and then you want to select blocked accounts. I'm not going to do it myself because I don't want to show any phone numbers. However, go to blocked accounts and then make sure that the account that you want to receive a message from has not been blocked. For the next method, make sure that your phone date and time has been synced up. So you want to go to your phone settings and search for date and time, and then you want to select date and time. Make sure you have your date and time synced up. So basically make sure that your date and time is correct. For the next method, you want to go to the Play Store or the App Store. Go to WhatsApp. If WhatsApp has an update it needs to do, it will tell you. You can then update WhatsApp. Make sure that WhatsApp is up to date. If not, then you want to back up your WhatsApp chat data like your messages. Then you want to uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it again.